Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, an item of breaking news. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has made changes to his administration.
Robert Morgan has been reassigned to the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for work.
Senator Dr. the Honorable Dana Morris Dixon is to be given responsibility for information in addition to skills and digital transformation.
Senator Abka Fitz-Henley is now the Parliamentary Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister.
Now, a release from Jamaica House says the administration is committed to fulfilling its 2020 mandate to transform Jamaica into a peaceful, productive and prosperous nation.
And we'll have more on this developing story in subsequent newscasts.